On a de la chance d'être assise au bord du lac avec Céla Sou. Céla, hello.
Hello.
Ravie d'être avec toi parce que c'est vrai qu'étonnamment, moi je t'ai découverte il n'y a pas si longtemps que ça. Wow. Je t'ai entendu bien sûr à la radio et je me suis dit mais c'est qui cette nana? C'est une nouvelle Black, enfin quelqu'un qui va reprendre la relève de Lauryn Hill. Et ensuite je t'ai vu sur YouTube avec Ragamuffin et je me suis dit mais là je me suis fait avoir. C'est une blanche avec une voix pareille. Je me demande ton flow. Tu l'as d'où est-ce que ça vient? T'as traîné avec des Jamaïcains? Comment ça s'est passé?
Yeah, I think, I listened to a lot of music, when I got in puberty, I discovered a lot of different kinds of music, and I'm as much into soul music as I'm into hip-hop, as I'm into rap, as I'm into jazz, so I think I just absorbed all the things I listened to, and then this sound came out, but I never thought about it, it's just the sound of my vocals, and I listened a lot to Lauryn Hill and Erykah Badu, and I think I learned a lot from them.
Mm-hmm. Alors pendant mon adolescence, en fait, j'ai écouté beaucoup de musique, Lauryn Hill, différentes, et puis ça m'a inspirée comme ça.
C'est la voix d'Anna que vous entendez qui a la gentillesse de traduire.
Say, in New York they want me, and I'm gonna be there. That city's calling, and I'm gonna be there. In Paris they want me, and I'm gonna be there, spreading the vibe, and all over there. I'm rusty like in calling them. Shilly dilly wally dilly dilly, shilly shilly yeah. Shilly dilly wally dilly dilly, yeah. Say the vibe is so bright. Never had it easy, I know, but I still remember you and what we used to say. So say this my song for you, my friend. You can only see that I can hardly let things go. No, oh yeah. So listen to the sound of my voice. You better send him all my love. It's giving me no choice. No, no, no. Listen to the sound and the voice. A ragamuffin is a freedom fighter, and he's handling his choice. And I know that the dear ragamuffin is a one of the friend. What this is, what you really did in the end, but what you gonna do, I don't know. And dear ragamuffin should not fall down, cause he has to wisdom of a not fool around. But why don't you feel good since he on the ground? Yes. Had it easy, I know, but I still remember you and what we used to have. So I'll say this my song for you, my friend. You can only see that I will never forget. Yeah, yes. Oh, boo, boo, yeah. Oh, boo, boo, yeah, yeah. Do boo boo, yeah. Oh boo boo, yeah, yeah. Say, dear ragamuffin is a one of the friend. What this is, what you really did in the end, but what you ever gonna do, I don't know. Dear ragamuffin should not fall down, cause he has the wisdom of a not fool around. But why don't you be good since he under your ground, yes. I say, dear ragamuffin is a one of the friends.
Céla, c'est vrai que quand on regarde depuis l'extérieur, on se dit waouh, pour Céla, tout a été tellement vite, ça a été rapide parce que tu as commencé la guitare, on va dire, assez tardivement, seulement à 15 ans. À 17 ans, tu as déjà été repérée. Est-ce que tu estimes que tu es quelqu'un de chanceux?
Yeah, actually, I have to realize it. But the thing is, it was also never my intention to become professional musician. I studied psychology when I was 18. I thought I would become psychologist and have a job from 9 to 5. So everything that happened is just a present, and it's been given to me. So I'm so lucky, and then now that I live it, I cannot imagine doing something else. I hope I can make music for the rest of my life.
Mm-hmm.
Alors oui, c'est une grande chance parce que j'étudiais la psychologie. Quand j'avais 18 ans, je ne me voyais pas du tout faire de la musique pour vivre. Et au final, c'est ce que je fais et j'espère que je pourrai le faire pour toute ma vie.
Est-ce que tu as une façon à toi de remercier ta bonne étoile?
Remercier, c'est quoi? Dis-moi. Yeah, I think, but I'm not so, I'm really extremely down to earth, so I'm not so spiritual in a way, I'm really down to earth, but that's nothing to do with not being thankful, I'm just really enjoying, like you can see, I really enjoy the leg and to have an aperitif, and I think I enjoy the good life, and I'm so thankful that I can live it. This is my job. I earn money by traveling and singing, and that's my hobby, so it's just amazing.
Je suis en fait quelqu'un de très terre à terre, je me décrirais pas comme spirituelle. Alors j'aime bien ici par exemple, je profite du lac, je bois un petit apéro, c'est quelque chose de magnifique. Mais je suis reconnaissante, mais je pense pas que je remercie ma bonne étoile, comme on pourrait l'entendre.
Célassou, toi tu nous l'as dit, tu as commencé par faire des études de psychologie. Tu as commencé à faire ces études pour mieux te comprendre, c'est souvent pour ça qu'on démarre. Hein?
Yeah, that's such a cliché that people always think that you do that, but it's just something, it always interests me. Also when I was a kid, I was always thinking about myself and relationships and the mind, and for myself, I had a really hard puberty, so I really suffered from depressions, it's genetically, so it's not that I want to cure myself, but it's just so interesting. I think it's the basic of everything, learning to accept who you are and just learning to be happy, and I think it's the basic of life, so that's why for me it was the most important study to do.
Alors c'est un petit peu cliché de dire ça comme ça, et puis en même temps c'est vrai que ma puberté était très difficile, et du coup c'est quelque chose qui me semble très important d'apprendre à se connaître et de connaître la vie.
Qu'est-ce qui a été difficile pour toi, particulièrement dans ton adolescence?
In one I think it's like I studied, it's really a lot of to do with genetics, I think all my grandparents are people with mental diseases, so it's really tricky in my family. And also, for me it was just hard to grow up, to learn to accept who I was. I was an extremely happy child, and then I got grown up and breasts and insecure and focus on me, and I was just really, really insecure and searching my identity, and it took a while, but yeah, it took a while.
Bon, il y a d'une part tout l'aspect génétique, en fait, chez mes grands-parents, on voit qu'il y a eu pas mal de troubles mentaux, des choses comme ça, donc rien que de ce côté-là, c'était quelque chose de difficile. Et puis après, vraiment aussi l'adolescence pour moi, les transformations dans le corps, d'avoir un projecteur sur moi pendant tous ces changements, c'était quelque chose de difficile et ça a pris un peu de temps.
Il y a une chanson justement, Crazy Suffering Style, où tu parles de cette folie justement, hein, qui est très proche. La musique t'aide aussi à mettre des pansements sur tout ça?
Yeah, because I think my whole first album, every song is about self-acceptance. Every song is about that, So I think it was a bit my way to that I felt I could do something with my bad emotions, that it was not for nothing that I felt so bad or something, and it helped in a way to structure my thoughts and stuff. Yeah.
Oui, la musique m'a permis de structurer un petit peu mes pensées. Le premier album, c'est vraiment ça parle vraiment de toute cette acceptation de soi-même. Chaque morceau parle de ça, en fait.
yo. Hey, yo. Stop it, yo. But you never gon' get shot. And I know that it's right, I can see in your eyes that you never gon' fit shot. And I know that it's right with the look in your eyes that you never gon' hit shot. And I know that it's right, I can see in your eyes that you never gon' be the lover. Hey, 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 crazy, summer inside. With the look in your eyes, crazy, summer inside. With the look in your eyes, crazy, summer inside. With the look in your eyes, crazy, summer inside. And she never gon' get shot. And I know that it's right, I can see in your eyes that she never gon' be your lover.
Tu as pu rencontrer Charlie Winston, Milo, Prince. Dans le futur, tu aimerais pouvoir collaborer encore avec qui?
Yeah, you know, I have a lot of people. You have a lot of talent, and it doesn't need to be like the big names or something. You know, you have a lot of talent in Leuven, the little place I live. People who nobody knows, who are just like extremely talented. So I just want to work with people who are really, really good and really into their thing. But the big wish is to work with Flying Lotus one day. I think he's magnificent. That would be a big wish.
Mm-hmm.
Alors un grand rêve, ça serait de travailler une fois avec Flying Lotus.
Flying Lotus.
Ah, Flying Lotus, pardon. mais en dehors de ça, ce qui est important, c'est vraiment de travailler avec des artistes qui ont du talent. Mm-hmm. Et il y en a beaucoup qui ne sont pas connus et qui sont juste très talentueux. Mm-hmm. Et ça lui semble beaucoup plus important.
Mm-hmm. Tu me sembles quelqu'un d'exigeant avec toi-même. Est-ce que tu l'es aussi avec les autres?
Exigeant, c'est quoi?
Demanding.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it's really tiring. It's true, it's really tiring. But no, I don't do it with anybody else. I think I'm actually really easy to live with. You know, I don't make fights a lot and stuff. But I'm really hard on myself. That's true, and that's something I have to work on still. Yeah, but I'll get there.
Donc elle dit qu'en fait c'est plutôt quelqu'un de facile à vivre, mais qu'elle est surtout dure avec elle-même, mm-hmm. et que c'est quelque chose qu'elle doit encore travailler, mais elle va y arriver.
Mm-hmm. Mettre de la douceur pour soi, hein. Ça s'apprend. Chez un mec, tu attends quoi?
Chez un mec, mm-hmm. Avec un garçon.
Un garçon.
Ah oui. Actually, I have him already. I met him, and he's calm, bit rational because I'm so emotional to keep the balance. Funny, humor is something that I think is so important, you know. And I think, yeah, those three are the most important ones.
Alors en fait, je l'ai déjà rencontré. Il est calme. Il a un côté rationnel pour faire l'équilibre avec mon côté plus émotionnel. Et beaucoup d'humour, c'est quelque chose de primordial, l'humour.
Tu es d'accord, hein, c'est là l'humour, même si ton mec il est moche, on s'en fout, hein, l'humour est plus important.
Oui, c'est vrai, vraiment. Ouais.
Ça rassurera plusieurs personnes.
Oh, oh. It's King Selassie whom me represent. Me no red me finger in no government. Through each had the dollar and the poor had the cent. Them calling us on what to do and I bet no when. 12 deluxe spending a live in a tenement. I a class of the employment. Them might fight to for the full of excitement. A lower class on the exploitment. I say I got me message that your air recommend. It's a niggas not gon' skip near the consent. Was a fire from creation that's so ancient. Be careful what you do and what you contend. Well, and Babylon and church you be patient. Use up in some for the experiment. Murderer, murderer, sick do that, 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 yo. Well, tell them already, got to tell them again. Tell them already, got to tell them again. Well, tell them already, got to tell them again. Murderer, say Georgia City, Georgia town, one for to the dead one down. Yeah, I look at low, bloody city, bloody town, one for to the dead, a court one town. Yeah, I look at low, see love is the only solution to stop start the revolution. Just praising meditation. Yo, what a revolution. See, love is the only solution to stop the revolution. Just praise and meditation. This is a copy and I'm turning it louder. The weather is a good, sun shines, no cloud. I am gonna freeze like nobody ever did. Feeling the bass resonating with my clit. This is a copy and I'm turning it louder. The weather is a good, sun shines, no cloud. I am gonna freeze like nobody ever did. Feeling the bass resonating with my clit.
Dis-moi, c'est là, dans 10 ans, tu as 33 ans. C'est juste?
Oui.
Tu te vois comment?
What I wish, I really want to have children, and it's a wish that I have already since I was a kid, you know. So I think I really want to have babies and to have a really good balance, because I want to make music for the rest of my life. I want to make a lot of albums, different kinds of atmospheres and styles, and I want to combine it with a family life. That's a bit my ambition.
Je veux des enfants, j'en veux vraiment depuis que je suis enfant. Donc j'aimerais pouvoir combiner à la fois la musique, parce que je veux faire énormément d'albums, combiner plein de styles, et avoir des enfants à côté de ça.
Wow, pas mal, joli projet. Pour l'instant, alors les enfants, c'est les albums.
Oui, c'est vrai. J'ai une bébé maintenant.
Oui.
Ouais.
Le deuxième, il est déjà en préparation?
Oh no, that's really hard, because you know I'm really creatively I'm so ready for my second album. You know, my album is already 2 years old, and I wrote most songs when I was 18. That's 5 years ago, you know. So I'm so ready for a second album. But the thing is, you know, it's gonna be released in the US in a month, you know. So it's gonna be promo there with the same album. So I have to, but I know it's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing. But I cannot wait to start on my second album.
We wait.
Ouais, elle se réjouit vraiment de commencer son deuxième album, parce qu'en fait, ça fait déjà 2 ans qu'il est sorti le premier, et elle avait écrit toutes les chansons quand elle avait 18 ans. Donc là, elle a vraiment envie de passer à la suite, mais la promotion aux États-Unis, c'est encore bientôt, donc ça va prendre encore un petit peu de temps, mais elle se réjouit.
Il y a encore du boulot, hein? Encore
Oui.
beaucoup.
Boulot, vraiment, c'est le mot, c'est le mot. Ouais.
Merci infiniment, Céla, c'était un plaisir immense de te rencontrer.
Merci beaucoup.
Say no, 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 no.